Today we're gonna work on a 2018 Toyota CHR, front brake pads and rotors. The following steps are similar for the model of 2019 to 2022. Let's get started. First thing we're gonna do is we're gonna remove the wheel using a 21mm socket. Then we will see the brake caliper. So there's two caliper bolts behind the caliper assembly. Those bolts are either 13 or 14. Usually it's 14, but on this particular car that I'm working on, it's actually 13mm bolts. It's kind of weird, but whatever. Sometimes when you're trying to take out the two caliper bolts, the caliper pin will keep rotating. So what I figured is that I would use an adjustable wrench on the caliper pin so that it would prevent it from rotating. So we can take out the caliper bolt a lot easier. Once the bolts are out, carefully slide the caliper off and hang it using a bungee cord. I repeat, do not let it hang by the brake hose. Slide the old brake out the bracket or use a pry. Since we are also replacing the rotors, we're going to remove the caliper bracket, which has 17mm bolt. Once your bracket is out, grab your hammer and hammer the rotors. Make sure you do not hit the wheel studs, okay? We are now installing the new rotors. So just snap it back in, grab your brake caliper bracket. Make sure that you take out the pin and you put a lot of grease on that pin. So we're gonna service the pin. Just put a lot of grease in it, in and out, and make sure you actually lube the pin. And it's easier, and make sure it retracts. Once we're done lubing the caliper pins, we're gonna install the caliper bracket back. So grab the 17 sockets. Make sure that the caliper doesn't wiggle when you tighten it completely. If it does, it means it's not straight or it's out of a line. If your caliper bracket wiggles when everything is tightened up, it means that the bracket is not properly aligned. Man, just take a look of how thick this new brakes are, man. Way thicker than the old brakes. So we're gonna apply a thin layer of grease on the contact points. Using the C-clamp or piston tool, slowly press the piston back into the caliper. You gotta take your time in doing this. You don't want the brake fluid reservoir to overflow. You don't want to break the pressure on the brake hose. We're gonna reinstall the caliper and torque the bolts to the factory specs if that's how you want to do it. I believe the torque spec for the brake caliper is. Every time I do a brake job, I always like to push back the heat shield behind the rotor. It's to avoid any screeching sound that you will hear after changing the brake pads, because sometimes that could be the cause of it too. So just keep that in mind. And that's how you guys change the front brake pads and rotors of 2018 Toyota CHR. The same process for 2019 up to 2022 models. If this video helped you guys in some way, show us some love, comment, like, subscribe. That's it for today. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys on the next one.